In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a smart navigation system. This works with Apple CarPlay and Android Audio. So how cool is that? This is the box it came in, and I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing, and I will install it on a vehicle to show you how well this thing works, because I have had it out and I did use it to see how it works, and I wanted to put it back in the box for the purpose of this video so I could show y'all a little quick unboxing to it. Number one, it comes with a touchscreen panel. It's Bluetooth, it's FM transmitting, it's got a USB media, so you can run USB on this. It's a phone link system, and it's got the IPS display in the front, and it's got the maps, voice control, and it actually has a backup camera. So how awesome is that? You can see I did open it here. Let me just go ahead, very nicely packaged. They did a really good job on this package, and let me just go ahead and open it up here. Right away when you open it up, you just kind of see that it's a dash mounted smart display. It's a 7-inch. Little quick how-to on all that, and I'll cover this on the AirPlay because I have an iPhone, so I'll cover how to work it with the AirPlay and how to do the FM transmitter on it. So there's that. We won't need that right now. And then here's the unit itself. That's a panel to go up on the windshield there. Shield or dash mount that goes on there. We can peel that off like that. This is the actual power cord itself. It's got the barrel top power cord, but the good thing is you don't lose your USB connectors when you use this barrel. You have 2 USB connectors there. And this is to go in an auxiliary in or out. So that's a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cord, kind of a sunshade unit here. That's basically a little cord management system there. Let me go ahead and peel this off. We're going to peel off that, set that aside. You could see the system here. This is all touch screen. It has a nice clean touch screen to it. The mount goes in the back here. There is a small little speaker out there, and there's where the USB mini micro will go. There's where your DC 12 volt input, your USB can go, your camera, if you're running a camera, and your audio. So there's all your connections there. Let me go ahead and set this up in an older model vehicle that just has a basic radio, and I'll show you how awesome this turns this from a basic radio into like a high premium Apple CarPlay radio. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, y'all, here I am. I'm inside the car. You can see it's an older model Nissan car, and it just has a basic, you know, AM, FM CD player in it. I won't need this because I don't have a auxiliary input anywhere, but I do have FM, so I can do FM transmission for my audio. Okay, so to put the actual like bass on here, what you want to do, you can see how it has the little feet right there. You just line it up with that, and now it's clicked in. How awesome is that? Pretty simple right there. And then this is like a sticky pad. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mount it on the dash. You just mash it down. That ain't going anywhere. That's in there just perfectly. The mic is right there. All of the unit is right there. So now I'm going to get the little barrel, 12 volt barrel plug, stick it down in there. How awesome is that, that it actually has the red marks right there to let you know that it's actually got power. So there we go. So we can run this. Now I would run this cord a little neater, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to run it right up through here like that. Plug it in, and as soon as I plug it in, you can see it's coming on. I have used this, and I've already linked up my cell phone to it, so when you start it, that's what it does. It goes through a start sequence. I have my cell phone here, so you can see right there what the Wi-Fi is connected as, so that lets you know that it's connected. And then check it out, I'm automatically set up for CarPlay. If I hit this button right here in the center, it pulls up all of my apps. It's got time, the home button right here. You can got USB, SD card, FM transmission. So check this out. FM transmission. Let's go on. 100.1 is what I'm set at. Check that out, everybody. We're playing through the car stereo. So I've got FM transmission on. I have Bluetooth call. If I want to make a phone call, I can make a quick phone call right there. CarPlay. So to set this up, and if I'm going to do phone link, you want to go to phone. I have iPhones on CarPlay. Android is on Android Audio, but I can mirror my phone, by the way, if I want to have a mirror link. And how you do that is you plug your USB into the side of it and then through your phone, but you have to be wired to run a mirror. It can't do that over airways like that. You can with an app, I think, with the other ones. And there's the Wi-Fi setup on that. Video settings, you can adjust the video settings on there. A lot of different settings right here on this thing. I have been nothing but impressed with this. Scroll over, you got AirPlay right there, and then that's the mirror length, and then you got an EQ if you need to adjust it. You can really customize your sound the way you want it. You can see the different adjustments in the CarPlay. You can change your wallpaper, your appearance, your driving focus that you get with the CarPlay. I can't show the maps feature because, you know what, they don't like me showing addresses on here. So you got telephone, music, maps, messaging. I can send and receive messages with this thing because I have a mic right there, so it does pick up my voice. Podcasts, audiobooks, and then you swipe over. Check it out. It's all a very responsive touch screen. Maps, Spotify, stations, all of my settings right here are all in here. So I really like that a lot. And then you got YouTube Music and different things. Highly recommend this thing for anybody that's got a car stereo that's an older model vehicle and you just want to upgrade and then add Apple CarPlay. That gives you a ton of features on here. And I can mount this on the windshield, I can mount it on the dash, or I can mount it down here in somewhere like that and facing up. There's a night mode if you want to do it. You can see if they're driving and you just want to hit a night mode, you can turn this whole thing off. So there it is. I went ahead and added the little like sunscreen on here. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the smart navigation, CarPlay, Android Auto. Pretty much the everything thing. See you guys in the next video. Woo!